click the subscribe button and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to watch latest tips and tricks. Hey guys, Adib here. Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can get the Mi A1's audio launcher on any Android device, that too without root. So with that being said, let's get started. So guys, first of all, install up this APK file, download it and then install it up. So it is the launcher of the Android Mi A1 and it has been ported as the launcher 3. So set it as your default launcher. There you go, you have the Mi A1's audio launcher running on your Android device and you can see that everything is working. So the app shortcuts are also working here and they are updated with the Mi A1's audio app shortcuts. And yes, they do work. In case if you want to test, here you go, it is working just fine. And guys, in the launcher settings, you can see that you have the Google app or the Google feed and you also have the notification dots here. And yes, I don't think that this has adaptive icons, or if it's just missing for me. So let me know if the adaptive icons is there for you. And yes, the Google feed is also working. And this is just full port of Mi A1's audio launcher. So that's how you can get it on your Android device without root. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video and subscribe to this channel. With that being said guys, I'll see you with some other tips and tricks.